Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can set up your Tapo C210, and I'm going to show you also what are the features and what you can do with it. So the first thing that you want to do is that you're going to find adapter in your box and you want to plug it in. And then you're going to see that when you're going to plug it in, it's going to have this like the red/orange light, and it's like turning on right now. And what you want to do is that you want to go to Google Play Store, and there you're gonna have a Tapo camera. Just write Tapo camera, and there you can have Tapo link Tapo. And what you want to do is that you just want to install it and open it. So this app is necessary for this to work. Now, as you can see right now, when you're gonna set up it, after a while, it should start blinking red and green. Really important thing, again, maybe it's good to even say something, we will see, is that if it's not going to blink red and green, from the bottom you're gonna have reset button. You want to press and hold it for about 10 seconds if you're not going to see it red and green. Okay, now I'm going to open it, and what I'm going to do is that probably you have to create your own account if you didn't create it yet. So I will just click plus here on top right. I'm going to click add a device, and this is going to be the Tapo 210. Okay, next. So let's see if it's blinking. Yes, it's blinking. Connect to device, and now we're just going to wait. Connected. That's how simple it was. Of course, you need to have also probably, you don't have to probably turn on Bluetooth, but now what you have to do is connect it to your Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to turn on the Wi-Fi on my laptop, and then we are going to continue. So rescan. It's going to again search, and I can see it right here. I'm going to add a password. Next, next. Okay, Wi-Fi connected. That's good. And now we're just going to wait until it's going to connect. Then you have to name the device. Okay, we can have like bedroom, and then you can choose the icon or whatever you want there. So we're going to press next, and now we're going to be completed. So that's like how really simple it was. Now I'm going to click sounds good, and if I want I can have cloud services, but I don't want to. And now you can also like insert a micro SD card. It's recommended to use a class 10 micro SD or higher with storage from 8 to 512 gigabytes. And now you can see that you can add, you have to buy the SD card by yourself, but here you can see that here you're gonna have the SD slot there, right? So I'm going to click got it, update the terms, got it. And now look at this, here we are. How simple was that? So we can have the Tapo. Got it. So how it works, okay, later I will update it. So right now you can see me in the camera. So the first thing I want to show is that when you will get there, you can always go zoom like full picture. On the bottom of it, you are going to find these arrows. Do you see that? Okay, I will just move a little bit of camera. That you're gonna find these arrows here. These arrows are for when you're gonna have like multiple cameras connected together. You can like switch between them. Then on the right side, you're gonna have the option to have a day mode or night mode on the bottom left. Then on the top right, you are going to find taking picture, or you can record the video, or you can have like gimbal there that, look, I can move to the right, and I will just move it to the and I can go down. See how amazing is that? Then you can have and talk to it. So how to talk? Hello, hello, hello. So it's working really well. And then I can even tap to call. So then you're gonna have the camera microphone, camera speaker. So I can like tap to call. So right now I'm calling. So that's something you can do also. Then when we go back, here you're gonna find also different things there. So as I have, you can have alarm off there, privacy mode is active, streaming and recording functions are disabled. So that's something you can do. And then like something you do on the camera that you don't want anybody to see. And then you're gonna have also the playback and download there. So playback and download, here you're gonna find some playbacks and downloads. And that's pretty much it, how to use this app. It's pretty simple. So let me down below in the comments if like some of them that actually helped you. And I hope it does. And yeah, thank you and have a great day and goodbye.